Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, the Sandbox, currently trading for $0.6 in the last 1 month. We have seen the Sandbox trade for as high as $0.72. It has also traded for as low as $0.5. With the market cap of less than $1 billion, over 2.2 million people have the Sandbox on their watch list. The Sandbox is down 5% in the last 1 month. The big one is that in the last 1 year, the Sandbox is down more than 80%. We're deep in the crypto bear market. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Sandbox US dollar price chart on a daily time frame, paying attention to the Sandbox 100-day moving average. We'll also pay attention to the Sandbox 200-day moving average. Where is it telling us the Sandbox is heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Should we be expecting huge pumps to the upside, probably above $1? Maybe the Sandbox can head to $2. The altcoin season index is telling us it's Bitcoin month. Where will that bode for the altcoins in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll take a sneak peek at the Sandbox performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll also take a look at the Sandbox market cap. Can we rally to the $2 billion level for the first time since August of 2022? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. But if you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, or chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Altcoins have been underperforming against Bitcoin in the last 1 week, in the last 1 month. Guys, deep in the bear market, a lot of people are running away from altcoins. People are running towards Bitcoin. And Bitcoin has been holding on strong. In the last 1 month, Bitcoin is up more than 24%. And at the same time, in the last 1 month, altcoins like the Sandbox are down bad. The Sandbox has lost about 5% of its value in the last 1 month. Now, altcoins are known to be more volatile against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. When the market is pumping, altcoins pump harder than Bitcoin and Ethereum. When the market is dumping, we see those altcoins dumping harder than Bitcoin and Ethereum. First, let's look at the Sandbox 100-day moving average. We've seen the Sandbox trade above its 100-day moving average multiple times. But anytime the Sandbox is trading below its 100-day moving average has been a bearish sign. It has also been a time to accumulate if you are getting ready for when to go back above its 100-day moving average. We saw the Sandbox for the first time in its existence go above its 100-day moving average in January of 2021. What happened after that? We saw a huge pump for the Sandbox, a rally of more than 2,000% in just a 7-day period of time. After that, we now saw another time where the Sandbox went above its 100-day moving average. And what happened after that time period? We saw the Sandbox rally another 1,800% to the upside. So anytime the Sandbox is going above its 100-day moving average, we might see a sustained trend to the upside. If we take a look at the 200-day moving average for the Sandbox, it paints a clearer picture of when we should expect that pump to the upside. Now, if you see the Sandbox trading above its 100 and its 200-day moving average, we should expect a rally to the upside. The last time we saw that phenomenon happen in July of 2021, the Sandbox rallied up by more than 1,800%. Now, deep in this bear market, the Sandbox have been consistently trading below its 100-day moving average, and since April of 2022, the Sandbox has been trading below its 200-day moving average. Now, the Sandbox is battling its 200-day moving average. We have tried to rally above it. We tried 2 different times. In February, we got rejected. We also tried on the 20th of February, we got rejected. So in the coming days and the coming weeks, this is a very, very key level to pay attention to. If the Sandbox is able to rally above its 200-day moving average, we might just be gearing up for higher prices. We have seen it rally above its 100-day moving average, even though it fell below it in March of 2023. The two averages are about to meet. So are we going to start pumping to the upside, or are we going to get rejected by the 100 and 200-day moving average and start dumping to the downside? I'll give you what might happen if both scenario plays out. First, if we're dumping to the downside, the line in the sand is the $0.52 region. We saw the Sandbox try to dump in March of 2023, but that level is where we found support, and the lowest we have gone in this bear market has been the $0.38 region, and that's the farthest we have seen the Sandbox go against its 100 and 200-day moving average, because that rally towards the 100 and 200-day moving average just took us around 20 days, and we saw the Sandbox rallying by more than 116% in those 20 days. Now, if we continue pumping to higher prices, if the Sandbox is able to rally comfortably above the 100 and 200-day moving average, guys, levels where I see the Sandbox facing difficulties as we continue our journey to the upside, that $0.92 region is going to be a very, very interesting level. We saw the Sandbox hit its 100-day moving average at that level in November of 2020, and we continued dumping to Goblin Town. The next time we're coming back to that level was when the Sandbox was trading above its 200-day moving average, but we couldn't rally above that level. So I'll not be shocked to see us having difficulties at the $0.92 level at some point in time in the future. And if we continue pumping to higher prices, the level where we got to in August of 2022 might be another line in the sand, that $1.38 region. Bitcoin, the king of the market, has rallied above the price region where we're trading in August of 2022. Bitcoin got to as high as $25,000 in August of 2022. Right now, Bitcoin is comfortably trading above $27,000, even getting to as high as $29,000. So if the Sandbox is going to copy Bitcoin, we'll see a quick rally for the Sandbox back to the $1.38 region. That will require the Sandbox to pump by more than 138% to the upside. And from the bottom where we started the year, we'll see the Sandbox rally back to the $1.38 region by pumping by more than 250%. But we can be very, very lucky in this bear market rally. This can be one of those bear market rallies where we'll just be seeing all coins having aggressive pumps to the upside. And in that case, we might still see the Sandbox rally back to the $2.3 region for the first time since May of 2022. If the Sandbox is rallying that high, guys, that would have meant the Sandbox would have given us more than a 288% pump to the upside from where we're currently trading. And since the start of the year, the Sandbox would have given us a 500% pump to the upside. If we go on a 3-day time frame and we take a look at what the Sandbox has been doing, Sandbox is still trading below its 100 moving average on a 3-day time frame. So even though the altcoin season index is telling us right now it's Bitcoin month, right now it's a good time to get altcoins, guys, let's not get carried away. We're still deep in the crypto bear market, and the Sandbox has critical levels to blast through before we'll be comfortably calling for higher prices. Altcoins are volatile in the bear market, but altcoins can't actually pump to higher prices in the bear market, guys. When we see altcoins pumping, when we see that capital flowing from Bitcoin back into altcoins, don't get carried away. We're not in a new bull run. We're just having a bear market rally. We're going to have all seasons also in the bear market. All seasons are when altcoins start outperforming Bitcoin for a period of 90 days. Right now, we're having a Bitcoin month. We're having a Bitcoin season. We're also having a Bitcoin year. In the coming days and the coming weeks and the coming months, we will be shifting from Bitcoin month, Bitcoin year, and Bitcoin season into altcoin month, altcoin year, and altcoin season. Now, for you to enjoy in that altcoin month, altcoin year, and altcoin season that will be coming in the coming days and the coming weeks, probably in the coming months, you have to accumulate deep in the bear market. You want to do the opposite of what the market is doing. So when the market is piling onto Bitcoin because altcoins are underperforming, you want to be piling into altcoins because altcoins will start performing next. And if altcoins start overperforming against Bitcoin, you want to pile into Bitcoin because Bitcoin will start performing next. The market works in cycles, capital flow in a cyclic nature in the cryptocurrency market. If you want to make money long term, all you have to do is invest heavily in the bear market, do your research before investing, and hold on for dear life. When the bull run comes back, you will see that your best decision you made was investing heavily in the bear market. If you take a look at what the Sandbox did in the previous bull market, the Sandbox was one of the huge gainers, rallying up by more than 28,000% in that bull market. But for you to enjoy all these pumps, you would have had to sit through a lot of chaotic moments. You have had to sit through these moments where we saw the Sandbox dumping by more than 82%. Crazy, but that's how volatile altcoins can be. And if you want to experience that volatility to the upside, you have to be willing to accumulate deep in the bear market. If you take a look at some details about the Sandbox, in the last 1 year, the Sandbox has traded for as high as $3.59. The Sandbox has also traded for as low as $0.37. Currently ranked 55 on CoinMarketCap, more than 2.2 million people have the Sandbox on their watch list. And out of the maximum 3 billion tokens We have over 1.5 billion the Sandbox tokens in circulation. If you want to buy or sell some of the Sandbox tokens right now deep in the bear market, if you're one of the smart investors that's getting ready for the next crypto bull run, you can buy or sell some of the Sandbox tokens on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Qcoin, on Uniswap, on Kraken, on Bitstamp, and guys, anywhere you get popular altcoins, you can get some of the Sandbox tokens right there. Now, if you take a look at the Sandbox performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, it's nothing to write home about. This is the lowest we have seen the Sandbox trade against Bitcoin since the start of its bear market. The Sandbox from the high we set in November of 2021 has gone down by more than 85% against Bitcoin. The Altcoins season index is telling us it's Bitcoin month, rightly true. You can see that on the chart. But guys, it can't continue being Bitcoin month forever. At some point in time, we are going to see the altcoin market pump to higher prices. Take a look at what the Sandbox did from the 16th of October 2021 till November of 2021. And let's go back to the altcoin season index to see, was the altcoin season index telling us it was an altcoin month or a Bitcoin month then? Guys, October to November of 2021 was a very good time to buy altcoins. Take a look at what the altcoin season index was telling us then from the 16th of October 2021 till when the altcoin season ended for altcoins in November 19th of 2021. That would have been a very good move if you had accumulated altcoins then. Take a look at what the Sandbox did in that period of time, outperforming Bitcoin by more than 1,100%. So history repeats itself right now. Even though I'm not expecting a 1,100% pump to the upside for the Sandbox against Bitcoin, we might just see a 100 or a 200% pump to the upside in the coming days and in the coming weeks. And remember, guys, it always looks darkest before it becomes bright. If you take a look at the Sandbox performance against Ethereum also, we're down bad in Goblin Town. The Sandbox has dumped aggressively in this bear market. I'm not shocked to see the Sandbox rally in the coming days and in the coming weeks. If we see Bitcoin pumping to higher prices, if we see Ethereum rallying above $2,000, let's not be shocked to see the Sandbox also following suit, pumping to higher prices. These are key levels to watch out for the Sandbox in the coming days and the coming weeks. The Sandbox can rally to the $2.32 level, or we can easily dump back to the lows we have gotten to in this bear market, getting to as low as $0.38. If you take a look at the Sandbox market cap, we're still hovering around that $1 billion mark. We're currently trading below the $1 billion region. If we see a rally to the upside, the Sandbox market cap might get to that $2 billion region for the first time since May of 2022. And for us to rally to that $2 billion region, we'll have to pump by more than 100% to the upside. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you still accumulating some of the Sandbox tokens right now in the bear market? If you see that rally coming to the upside in the coming days and the coming weeks, where do you see us facing huge resistance and getting rejected? Are we going to get as high as $2.3 before the end of this rally? Or are we dumping back to the lows as the rally is already over? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.